Hi, welcome to my station, Chats with Flo. I give Christian advice for your everyday life. Today I'm going to talk about criticizing your mate. I know some women and also some men, whenever they talk about their spouse, it's always something negative. They talk about their spouse behind their back, and some of them have the nerve to do it in front of their faces. When you are married, you become one. So when you talk about your spouse in a negative way, you are not only making them look bad, but you're making yourself look bad, and you're also talking about yourself. Because when I hear a married couple, or a male or a female, talk about each other, the first thing I do is think about, okay, why are you still with that person? If everything that person does get on your nerves, or if it's where you never have anything good to say about your mate, why are you guys together? So what I'm trying to say is, stop focusing on negative issues about your mate. I'm sure it's something great about them. Sometimes we can get so addictive to talking about negative things about our partner and never focus and be thankful for the good things about them. So whenever you're talking to someone else and you have the urge to say something negative about your mate, just think about, well, I'm not going to talk about myself, so I'm not going to talk about him. Instead, talk about the good things. I hope this video helped you. Leave me a comment at the bottom. Are you the type of person that loves to talk about your mate in a negative way? If you are, change your behavior. Focus more on the positive aspects of your mate. Thank you for watching Chats with Flo. Have an awesome day. Bye.